Dear viewers, now I am going to present Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission Combined Engineering Subordinate Service Engineering Examination. General Studies, I am going to present the syllabus for the General Studies. The General Studies, Part 1 is Technical Paper, Part 2 is General Studies, Higher Secondary Standard, Objective Type, total 100 questions. You have to complete within 2 hours, 200 marks. That means each question carries 2 marks. General Studies, Higher Secondary Standard, 75 questions. And Aptitude and Mental Ability, SSLC Standard, 25 questions. So mental ability and aptitude carries 50 marks, remaining 150 marks from the General Studies. So date of examination 6/6/2021, 3 to 5 p.m. As on date, the examination is mentioned in the TNBC website is 6/6/2021, 3 to 5 p.m. In Unit 1, General Science, in Physics, Nature of Universe, General Scientific Laws, Invention, Discoveries, National Scientific Laboratories. So you should know where the National Scientific Laboratories situated. Mechanics and properties of matter, physical quantities, standard and units, force, measure, motion, energy, magnetism, electricity, electronics, heat, light and sound. So you can expect around 3 or 4 questions from physics. In chemistry, elements and compounds, acid, bases, salts, fertilizers, pesticide, insecticides. You can expect at least 1 or 2 questions. In botany, main concepts of life science, classification of living organism, nutrition, and dietetics, respirations. They may ask 1 or 2 questions from the botany also. In zoology, blood and blood circulation, reproductive system, environment, ecology, health and hygiene, human disease including communicable and non-communicable disease, prevention and remedies, animals, plants and human life. You can expect 2 or 3 questions from the zoology. See, around roughly about 10 questions you can expect from the general science. In current affairs, Unit 2 is the history, latest diary of events, national symbols, profile of states, eminent persons, places, news, sports and games, books, authors, awards and honors, India and its neighbor. You should note the latest award and honors. In political science, problems in conduct of public elections, political parties and political system in India, public awareness, general administration, welfare-oriented government schemes are their utility. In geography, geographical landmarks, economics, current socio-economic problems. In science, latest invention on science and technology. Can I expect around 10 to 12 questions? Sometimes in current events carries more weightage. We ask around 15 questions. So that depends upon the question paper sector. In Unit 3, Geography, Earth and Universe, Solar System, Monsoon, Rainfall, Weather and Climate, Water Resources, Rivers in India, Soil, Minerals, Natural Resources, Forest, Wildlife, Agricultural Pattern, Transport, including surface transport, communication, Social Geography, Population Density Distribution, Natural Calamities and Disaster Management. So you can expect around 7 to 8 questions. Earth and Universe, 1 question, and Weather, Rivers in India. They may ask various rivers, where it is situated, then forest, then population, density, calamities, disaster management. In Unit 4, History and Culture of India and Tamil Nadu. So you have to focus more on Tamil Nadu and as well as in India, history and culture. Indus Valley Civilization, Guptas, Delhi Sultans, Mughals, Marathas, Age of Vijayanagaram, and Bhavani's South Indian history, culture of heritage of Tamil people, India since independence, characteristics of Indian culture, unity in diversity, race, color, language, custom India as secular state, growth of rationalist Dravidian movement in Tamil Nadu, political partisan, populist scale. So Indus, Gupta, Mughal, Marathis, Jayanagaram, and Bahmanis. These they may ask one question from the civilization. Similarly, in the history, culture and heritage of Tamil and India is very important. You can expect two questions from the India as well as Tamil Nadu. Similarly, race, color, language, customs, and the growth of rationalized Dravidian movement in Tamil Nadu, political properties and populist. So you can expect around 10 questions from the history and culture. In Indian polity, Constitution of India, preamble to the Constitution, salient features of the Constitution, union, state, territory, citizenship rights, human duties, fundamental duties, human rights, charter, union, legislation, parliament, state, executive, state, legislative, assembly, local government, Panchayat Raj, Tamil Nadu, judiciary in India, rule of law, due process of law, election, official language, schedule 8, corruption in public life, anti-corruption measures, CVC, Lok Adalat, and ombudsman, CAG, right of information, empowerment of women, consumer protection, Indian polity, around 10 questions you can expect. Similarly, in Indian economy, nature of Indian economy, 5-year plan, they may ask which 5-year plan during the year, model, assessment, land reforms, agriculture, application of science, agriculture, industrial growth, rural welfare-oriented programs, social sector problems, population, education, health, employment, poverty, economic trends in Tamil Nadu. So Indian economy, you can expect 5 or 6 questions from the Indian economy. In Unit 7, Indian National Movement, National Renaissance, emergence of national leaders, Gandhi, Nehru, Tagore, different modes of agitation, role of Tamil Nadu freedom struggle, Rajaji, VOC, then Periyar, Bharadiyar and others. So Tamil freedom struggle, so you should know familiar with the Rajaji, Chidambaranar, then Periyar and Bharadiyar and others. Similarly, national leaders Gandhi, Nehru, and Tagore. You can expect around 3 or 4 questions from the Indian national movement. In general studies and this aptitude carries 25 questions. That means 50 marks. You have to focus easily. You can score because it is only up to SSLC standard. Conversion of information, data collection, compilation, presentation of data, tables, graphs, diagrams, analytical interpretation of data, simplification percentage, highest common factor, lowest common multiple, ratio and proportion, simple interest, compound interest, area, volume, time work, logical reasoning, puzzles, visual reasoning, alpha numerical series. So you can expect around about 10 topics. You can expect at least 2 or 3 questions each topic. For example, table and graph, you can expect 3 questions, analytical 2 or 3 questions, percentage 2 questions, highest common 2, 3, like this ratio proportion. So compound interest 1 or 2 questions. So you can expect around say 25 questions. So 25 carries each 2 marks means 50 marks. You have to focus more on the aptitude and mental ability. And sometimes they may give more weightage. Current affairs also they may give weightage. It all depends upon. So I hope you enjoy the video. Kindly subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you for watching.